Hello all, thank you for stopping by. I just wanted to say a quick hello and thank you for supporting my page and watching my videos. Many more to come and many more adventures. Today's project is going to be shelves. We'll get on with that, but thanks again. Have a good one. It is pretty cold out today. It's about, 30 outside, and let's see, 42.9 in here right now. So this is this is going to take a while to dry, which is fine. They can sit here and do what they want. Okay, we'll give that 20 minutes, half hour. I got a fan going on, so they should dry pretty quick. And then hopefully we can throw another second coat on these suckers. Hello, good morning, and welcome to the bunkhouse kitchen once again. Today's small project is going to be putting up my shelves. So I've got my 1x4, 1x6, whatever, and there's no studs even in these walls. So in order to hang up my pieces, I need something to attach them to. So I can put this on the wall and then place these wherever I want that aren't in the studs. So today's process is going to be doing that. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, so shelves. Just need to figure out kind of how high I want these suckers. Make one there and maybe one a little lower. I gotta leave enough room for, glassware and plates and all that good stuff, but not everybody is 6'4" like I am, so they can't necessarily reach this bottom shelf, so I can't make it too terribly high. But I think that is going to be a great start right there. Okay, so we've got my standard fitting here. We're going to do 2 per side, like there and over. You just got to figure out my spacing, basically. Okay, just need to get my tape measure. Our board's 37, so we really don't have to be right in the middle, but we need enough support for the ends. So I'm just going to do random number and go 6 inches in on each end. Put up my pipes. So this base is 3 inches. My board is 5.5. So if I want them in the center, obviously doing some math here, 2.5, 1.25 inches down. And it doesn't really matter. I can either put them square or put them, I don't know, whatever, crosswise. So I think I'm going to put them up crosswise like this. I don't know. In my brain, that'll hold a little bit more weight. Who knows if I'm right? So let me show you something here. These are meant to obviously screw stuff to the wall. And they have an offset. But you can't use, if you use like a drywall screw, it's not going to work too good. You got to get a big enough, maybe you can see it, big enough headed screw that it's not going to pull through and ruin your day. So, just another tip. Tips and tricks, I'm full of them. And then the other thing is, when we put the shelves up, I don't want them just sitting there. So I got a simple pipe strap like so, painted it black. And we're going to put that up under and grab my shelf so the shelf stuff don't come falling down. Alright, that's better. Well, my plan when this is done, is I'm going to go back and obviously paint over the screws, and I still have some black left of what the pipe is painted. So those are all going to get painted and covered. You won't see those once I'm done. I went and bought these really nice shelves. I was going to do regular wood, but I like the wood grain on these, and staining them and everything else is kind of a pain, so that's going to go just like that. And then we take our strap, we go right up underneath the pipe, and grab the shelf. So, but before I do that, I need to hang the other one, obviously, and fix my paint spots. So, alright, let's get another root set up.